When I entered this college, that was the time when a composition department tried out the combination of course, both a classic composition and creative music technology course, which actually gave me the opportunity to be able to learn both knowledge, which really helped me to actually enter to the gaming industry, because nowadays I use a lot of DAO systems which I learned from college. In the gaming industry, you can actually work with really various talented people, including graphic team, VFX team, and some of the scenario writers, and sound could be one of the really important elements to create whole entire big art as gaming. So I got really interested in, and the teachers really encouraged me to get into this area. After releasing the Resident Evil 4 last year, I was involved with a developing project for Resident Evil 4 for VR mode. I was in charge of enemy sound, and I think my highlight was I create my entire concept of enemy sound was used and published as the final resource. At college, there was always a time that we could discuss together to create something better. We don't say negative things, we just only discuss to create something better. I think this discussion process really gave me the confidence to how to communicate with people.